Hi everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today's video was a part of a collaboration for the Chicks and Kicks stamping group. It's going to be a very short video, so I'm just going to pop on some music and let you enjoy it, and I'll be back in a moment. And here's my set. I'm going to add the playlist link in the description box. It's for all the other ladies who participated in the collab, so go on and check out their videos and show them some love and support. I want to thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe button, notification bell, and if you're old here, thank you for returning. Also, please like and leave a comment. It really does help my channel out a lot. See you next video. Bye.